This is TYJ450 5 kW ring die pellet machine with 0.8 to 1.2 tons per hour. It mainly includes pellet machine, rollers, automatic lubrication system, cyclone and dust collector, and electrical cabinets. TYJ lubrication system is used to lubricate rollers, bearings, and main shaft bearings to ensure pellet machine work for 24 hours. Electrical cabinets is used to control all machine as above. TYJ pellet machine gearbox adopts Weisheng brand TYJ custom model. Internal gear and shaft are enlarged and thickened, which is more durable and stable. It can be widely used for all kinds of biomass materials. TYJ can supply pellet machine 1 ton to 5 tons per hour, which is well received by domestic and foreign customers. Price